Look who came to visit. Miriam.
Ew.
And Miriam.
Stop.
And Ernesto.
Tomaré un video, pero voy a para que me quede de recuerdo.
He wants to see the before. That was pretty loud, boy.
What are you doing?
What is that? Holy crap. Y'all some crazy people. Got the goods up in here. Y'all are insane. What is up, guys? Today we back with another video. Today we're gonna be working on Ernesto's Lexus. We're gonna be putting an exhaust. A full-blown catback exhaust is right here. You guys can't see it. Header back, or whatever you want to call it. Here goes what we're gonna be doing today. It's an ARC exhaust system. He currently has some Chameleon, whatever these are. I got them from Car ID, I believe. Look at them right there. And these are the ones that you were hearing at the beginning of the video for the nice little before. They wanted to drop by. They wanted to get this added and installed. They didn't want to go to a shop and pay, so we're like, let's go ahead and do it. He doesn't want to show his face. He goes, Miriam.
No.
Another one I don't want to show their face. And my brother's going to be helping them out. So we'll be back in a bit. This camera's about to die. And so his bumper's in the way. They're going to put his car on some wood to raise it a bit. And that way we can get the jack under it to raise it from the front, just so we can start from there and work our way back. Alright, so we charged up the battery quite a bit now. I'm gonna show you guys the progress we have done so far. The only thing we've done since was, and my brother had managed to get the car on jack stands. Anyways, this is how it's looking underneath. This is where it comes out, and look at this. That's the old exhaust. Here goes the exhaust right here. This is the ARC exhaust. I'm not too sure which one it is. I'll leave it down in the description below once I get more information on it. So we didn't have the O2 sensor removal, so they're gonna leave and they're gonna go to auto parts store. They're gonna go see if they can pick one up. What I'm gonna do in the meantime is go ahead and wrap his spoiler. So this is actually what I'm gonna be working on right now while they're gone. I'm gonna try to see if I can knock this out real quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to knock that out.
Yeah, my hand's steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises, you ain't stopping this. Cross my shit, you'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence, I got this, I will not quit. Man, I'm on it, honest, I'm gon' launch quick, then I'm gone. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the climb and moving under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5, I'm rocking, and they watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10 songs, so stopping. It's time to live my life, it's time to live, not die. Wish I could slow down time and just enjoy the climb.
And I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God, I get it, bro. So don't just let me get it.
Yeah. Alright, so after a good bit of work, we finally got it off. That boy's about to turn it on, man. Let's see how it sounds. He can rev it. Let him rev it. Woohoo! That shit sounds nice. Písale! It's sounding pretty nice. Open header, boy. We don't got nothing on it right now. That is clean, man. He should just straight pipe it. Woohoo! Just straight pipe it, no? Así déjala. That's pretty nice. Now we're gonna go ahead and install the ARC exhaust, and hopefully, like I said, it takes us about 30 minutes to an hour. We're getting started already on the install. We're making some progress. My brother's getting the first couple of pieces set in there. Let me show you guys. Give you guys a better angle over here. It is raining like always. It's starting to look pretty good. The first 2 pieces are about to go in. Anyways, they're gonna get started on putting those 2 pieces in. We'll give you guys an update in a bit. But as always, it's raining. The Camaro's looking nice, wet. And the both Z's. Whew. They're looking stupid clean. And here goes these right here. The old exhausts. Like that chameleon look on them bad boys. That's pretty nice. Could be worse. I kind of like these. It doesn't look half bad. But anyways, I'll see you guys in a bit once we've made some progress on the exhaust install. I didn't even show you guys. I finished the spoiler. This is how it's looking. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it out, and I'm gonna show you guys the final product on it. Hopefully it does look as clean as it looks right now. Here it goes, all laid out for you guys. It's a pretty clean exhaust. I like the blue tips on it. You really can't go wrong with the blue tips, to be quite honest. Give us an update on where we at with the exhaust, my friend.
We're done.
We're done?
Pretty much.
Pretty much done. We got a couple more things we gotta do. But as of right now, we're in the home stretch, boys. We're in the home stretch. Alright, so we are down to the final 3 pieces. This Y and both exhaust tips. Home stretch, boys, home stretch. So what happened now?
They forgot to bring the bolts I told them to bring from their old exhaust. The little spring clips. That's why I told you. Why do you think I told you to look for that piece?
You didn't say you needed the bolts.
I even say, okay, you see that piece, we're gonna need that piece. 10 times more money.
It is always something. And that's kind of how it always goes on this channel. We'll see you guys in a bit once we do get the bolts. So we have the spring bolts coming, and in the meantime we're gonna continue with the install. My brother's just gonna finish up the couple pieces that need to be bolted on right there, which is these two, the 2 mufflers, and then the white pipe is what we need the spring bolts for. While we're waiting for those to arrive, we're gonna go ahead, assemble the rest of the exhaust. Alright, so my brother just finished assembling the final 3 pieces. We're gonna go ahead and put it in the position where it needs to go. Have it ready just so once the bolts arrive, put the final 2 bolts in and we'll be done. We've got most of it done already. This is how it's looking from the bottom. Both are in place and intact. The only thing that we need is those 2 bolts right here, and the whole project is complete. There we go. There we go. We finally finished it. That was its first start, and that is looking like that's how it's gonna sound. We'll get him out to sleep. John.
I was wanting to sleep, bro.
Legend. I just checking for leaks. Alright, so I'm gonna go get the final thoughts of the owner. ¿Y qué piensas? ¿No te gustó?
No, está bien.
¿Está bien?
Yeah.
Pero lo tenías más recio antes, ¿no?
Yeah.
More money, Maria. More money.
He wants to bag it too.
And bag it. Oh, damn.
Only because I showed him, why don't you bag it? And he said, and Miriam told me that he wants that now.
Oh, so now he's gonna bag it. He's gonna get new headers. He's gonna make it louder. Comment below what you guys think about my brother-in-law's build. Do you guys want to see more of it on this channel? It is a pretty insane build to be a Lexus. He has crazy stuff that he's doing to it, and I feel it'll be a lot of good content to come out from that car. But that's gonna be the end of this video, guys. Hopefully you guys did enjoy it. Please drop it a like, subscribe if you have. Dreams and dedication are a powerful combination. Deuces.
Yeah, man, the world needs better laws. Maybe then we'll be better off. I'm hoping that it comes, but it never does.